Yes, within 2 minutes we will start. Yes, we will have the connection. So GS Mains Test Series and Mentorship Program 2020. Here we are coming up for the first time in India with daily mains tests from October 12th to October 1st, 90 days, approximately 90 days. So it's nearly 80 days, 80 to 90 days in between. So you have to think it is 3 months. Daily exams and daily evaluation complete 80 days. In the month, in the time span of 90 days, in 3 months of time span, 80 days you have to categorize. You have to categorize for mains test series. And complete timetable will be provided. Complete timetable will be provided. So how I am going to do this test series? How I am going to do this test series is very, very important. So please concentrate here. Every Sunday you will be having the test. So after 10 tests for every week you will be having two tests. Every Sunday you will be having 15 tests and general studies tests will be conducted. GS1 3, GS2 3, GS3 3, GS4 2, and GS1 4 comprehensive tests. 4 comprehensive tests. GS4 1, 2, 3, 4 4 comprehensive tests. So overall 15 tests will be conducted. Overall 15 tests will be conducted, and compulsory paper test 16 English, compulsory paper test 17 Telugu or Hindi. Extra general essay test will be conducted. Extra general essay test will be conducted 18. So overall it is 18 tests will be conducted under the GS Mains Test Series program. Daily explanation. So most important is 66 days. For 66 days we are going to give you daily test program. In the morning you will have a class. In the morning you will be provided with the questions and you have to write the answers and you have to submit, and those answers will be evaluated. And for those answers, how to write the best answers will be explained. How to write the best answers for the 3 answers every day will be explained. So that means for 6 days, daily 3 questions, 18 questions, and on Sunday 20 questions. In a week you are going to write answers for 38 questions. So you can assume by the end of the 15 tests, approximately you will be writing more than 500. More than 500 question and answers you will be completing. So how the program is, I will be explaining more further. Major test will also have discussion class. Model answers for all daily tests and major tests will be provided. So for 3 questions which I will be providing you daily, for those 3 questions, model answers will be provided. For the major test, the model answers will be provided. In that way, so daily 3 questions, model answers, and as well as for the major test, model answers, and evaluation will be done, and the feedback will be provided, and the best answer how you have to write will be explained in the class. So for 80 days hand-hold approach, for 80 days I am going to take the responsibility of your general studies. For those who clear prelims 2020, special responsibility, special care will be taken by our team. I will become your study partner for your mains 2020 and will be provided personal guidance on daily basis. Anytime you can call me. Why? Because my ambition is you people should clear the examination for 2020. So complete responsibility badge for general studies, mains, test series. With that, what are I am providing? I am explaining you 18 UPSC standard module wise and comprehensive tests, GS1 3 tests, GS2 3 tests, GS3 3 tests, and ethics tests 2, 4 comprehensive tests, oral 15, general essay 16, language paper means Telugu or Hindi 17, English 18. 18 tests you will be having. Daily test 66 daily tests you will be having. So 66 plus 18. Total 84 days I will be taking care of your exams, your tests. Model answers for 66 daily tests. Model answers for each daily test. A model answer will be provided properly. How the best answer should be there. A proper model answer will be provided for 66 days. Apart from this, mains tests. For 18 weekly tests, one for those 18 tests, you will be having one quality improvement program class. Means how, for example, if you have a test on Sunday, so preceding means Saturdays, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. On Monday you will be having quality improvement class, whereby I will be explaining you how you need to prepare for this week test. How you need to prepare for this week test. There is a geography teacher, there is a science and technology, environment. So the respective teachers will be explaining their subjects. And the overall responsibility will be taken by me. So in this way, 66 daily tests with 18 tests you will be covered off. Model answers for 66 daily tests and model answers for 18 weekly tests. For 18 weekly tests, one QIP class and one discussion class you will be having. After writing the test, you will be having a discussion class for 20 questions on the weekly test, major test, how you can write more better answer. Your mains is our aim means. For every test value added, yes, this is very important. For every test value added information, value added material will be provided by our team. So value added information also will be provided. We will be creating one particular Telegram channel. In that channel, we will be pumping on daily basis the value added content for that particular day syllabus, for that particular weekly test syllabus, we will be helping you. For more information, you can call this number. And course duration is 90 days. Actually, it's a plan of 90 days, but 80 days we will be doing all. From October 12th to January 1st, UPSC mains test will be on 8th Jan 2021. 1 week holidays will be provided so that you have to be very happy and you have to write the mains examination awesome. In that particular way, we planned your mains 2020. And obviously, it is also helpful for 2021 aspirants also. Only limited seats. I know if the limit crosses, everything will be a problem, anything. In the same way, we have the limited seats. We are going with the limited seats only. Now, free scholarship test. 3 free mains test series we are going to provide you. 3, no fees. 3, no fees. The first rank, the second rank, and the third rank who write proper answers and submit me. Who write proper answers and submit me. For those 1, 2, 3, top 3 ranked students, we will be providing free GS mains test series in the same way. 5 questions I will be giving, 250 words each answer, means 4 pages, 20 marks each, total 20 into 5 for 100 marks you will be having the exam. Mainly, I will be analyzing your answer writing skills, your presentation skills, and little bit content, but the most important is your answer writing skills and your presentation skills. What are those 5 questions? What are those 5 questions I will be explaining now? I will be giving now. Before that, I will give you the schedule of the total mentorship program. I want to give you the total program information. Mains test series. Mains test series, as I told you earlier, this is our program. And the syllabus is QIP means first class. QIP means first quality enrichment class, quality improvement class. On this day, on this next Sunday test, This is the next Sunday test. How you need to write a proper answer, I will be explaining the total syllabus. Geography teacher will be taking class, will be taking this particular module. And daily test 1 starts from 12th on this important geophysical phenomenon, earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunamis, cyclones, etc. The test will be conducted on this particular topics. On this particular topics, the daily test 1. And daily test 2 will be on salient features of world physical geography, geomorphology, climatology, oceanography, soil geography. This is the daily test 2. For this, on this topic, 3 questions will be provided and model answers will be provided. And daily test 3, distribution of key natural resources across the world, types of resources, land resources, forest resources, water resources, agriculture resources, mineral and energy resources. That you have to do properly. Why? Because you had an experience prelims. 9 questions came from agriculture sector. So again on this topic, 3 questions will be provided and you have to write and you have to submit and evaluation will be done. And by the end of the day, you will be provided with model answers. Daily test 4, again factors responsible for location of industries. Daily test 5, geographical features and their location. Daily test C, urbanization and human geography. On all this topic, weekly test 1 will be there. On all this, daily test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what are all this? For all this, you will be having the Sunday test, QIP. For the daily weekly test 1, there is QIP and daily test 1, 2, 3, 6. Then you will have actual test. Then again, you will be having daily test 7, QIP for the next test. How you have to read for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How you have to read, you will be having a QIP class. Whereby I will be telling which topics, where the respective teacher, the polity, I will be taking the polity, constitution, governance. So with respect to that, how you need to prepare, what are the judgments you need to add, I will be explaining you and I will be helping you. This is test 7, test daily test 8, the same which is decentralized. Daily test 8, daily test 9, daily test 10, daily test 11, daily test 12. Again, you will be having weekly test 2. So here in between, when you get the evaluated copies, mostly you will be getting your evaluated copies by Wednesday or Thursday. On Thursday evening, you will be having a discussion class also. You will be having discussion class also. For every test, there will be QIP. For major test, there will be QIP and discussion class with respect to the 20 questions which asked for the weekly test. In that way, you will be having 18 tests. Any doubt, anytime you can call me with respect to the test series. In this way, we meticulously planned for every week. In this way, we meticulously planned for every week. Overall, we are covering daily test 66 and 15 general studies, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as English, Telugu or Hindi, and general essay paper. Weekly test 8, daily test 59, 50 up to 50. In this way, overall, there are 66 tests and weekly test 11. Then you will be having comprehensive test, GS1 full length, GS2, because morning and afternoon you need to have the experience, then morning and afternoon, then morning and afternoon. Overall, in that way, 18 tests we planned for you for GS test series. In this way, for next 80 days, there will be a handhold approach. So now I will be giving you the questions. Now I will be giving you the questions on scholarship. Yes. So this session is actually for this scholarship questions. Now the time is approximately 4:15. 4:15. Now the time is within 6 p.m. Within 6 p.m. you need to submit your answers. Within 6 p.m. you need to submit your answers to this email ID. To this email ID. To this email ID, you need to submit your answers in this email ID. Please scan it properly, write neatly, write on white paper, mention your name, mention your phone number, mention your name, mention your phone number, mention your where are you from. place also, your location also. Where are you from? Today, by 6 p.m., we will close. If I get mail after 6 p.m., it will not be considered. So till 6 p.m., how many of you writing the 5? In UPSC, for 20 marker, you have to take 10 marks approximately. Sorry, 10 minutes approximately, 20 marker means 50 minutes. So leisurely 1 hour. Within 1 hour, you have to submit. But I am giving you 1.5 hour. So within this 1.5 hour, you have to write. Within 1 hour, you have to write, and for 30 minutes, you have to scan it and you have to send to this email ID. This is official email ID. For this email ID, whoever sends, after 6 minutes, after 6 p.m., it will not be accepted. Why? Because you can see the watch, you can see on the email, on the Gmail ID itself, you can see the time. So till 6 p.m., how many of you sending the answers? Those will be considered, will be evaluated, will be given the reasoning also. Will be provided the reasoning also. And the result will be provided. And the result will be provided by tomorrow 4 p.m. for the top 1, 2, and 3. And one more thing. In order to promote transparency, in order to maintain the transparency, those first, second, third, who got the top answers, who got the top scholarships, who scored 1, 2, 3 ranks, those papers will be sent into my Telegram channels, so that you can check those answers also. Everything will be transparent. So first, second, and third, totally free GS Mains Test Series based upon the questions. So for you, I am opening the question booklet. This is the first question. Free scholarship seats. How many? 3. People of Indian origin has an important role to play in West Asian countries. In West Asian countries, economy and society. Appraise the role of Indian diaspora in Southeast Asia in this context. The emergence of the self-help groups in contemporary times points to the slow but steady withdrawal of the state from developmental activities. About self-help groups. Examine the role of self-help groups in developmental activities and the measures taken by the government of India to promote the self-help groups. This is with respect to self-help groups. This is with respect to people of Indian origin and diaspora. Third, what are state actors and non-state actors? In the context of internal security of the nation, which actor is a potential threat for India's long-term security? This is a third question on internal security, on governance, on international relations. So again, I'm repeating. So these are the 3 questions. People of Indian origin has an important role to play in West Asia, economy and society. Appraise the role of Indian diaspora in Southeast Asia in this context. First question. Second question. The emergence of self-help groups in the contemporary times points to the slow but steady withdrawal of the state from developmental activities. Examine the role of self-help groups in developmental activities and the measures taken by the government of India to promote self-help groups. This is the information is present in that also. I am telling, which you can use. It is useful after your 6 p.m. Agenda 3 years of Niti Aayog. The content is very good. Third, who are state actors and non-state actors? Fourth context. In the context of Indian prehistoric art and culture, Bhimbetka and Son Valley had very significant role. What is that role and how it led to understand the process of evolution? Art and culture. From art and culture of Indian prehistory. Fifth question. If a country is to be from ethics, GS4. If a country is to be corruption free, and become a nation of a beautiful mind, thought, I strongly feel there are 3 key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, mother, and the teacher. According to APJ Abdul Kalam, analyze it. So this is ethics question. So one question is from ethics, one question is from art and culture, one question is from internal security, other question is from governance, other question is from international relations. So these are the 5 questions. On your YouTube, press pause, write down the question, press pause and write down the question and write answer and submit me by 6 p.m. to that mentioned email ID. All the best. Any doubts? So this is a program. Any doubts, please? So thank you. Submit your answers by 6 p.m.